Dr. Shah has devoted his professional career to serving the underserved. And that's the highest compliment I think anyone can be given in the healthcare arena.
So I've got a lot of familiarity with working in the public sector, psychiatry and mental health. And that's an area that's tremendously important, but has lots of special challenges. And through all of this, he navigated this system with a skill that I've seldom seen. So his ability to manage in that environment, I think is really something I especially appreciate.
We've had 4 major floods. We had the worst flooding event in the history of the United States. We've lived through a global pandemic. And not surprisingly, there have been some mental health challenges that are associated with all those events. So I distinctly remember Hurricane Harvey, when the George R. Brown Convention Center was set up for refugees, and they called the Baylor College of Medicine to say, can you please provide us with doctors? So foolishly, I was thinking, well, what kind of doctors do they need? They probably need family doctors and emergency room doctors. And well, lo and behold, what they really needed was psychiatrists. And why is that? Well, because of the trauma of people being kicked out of their homes, displaced, sent to a refugee center, essentially, in Houston.
And so Dr. Shah is an amazing individual who seems to have unlimited capacity for caring for others. His compassion and his dedication to the community is really unrivaled. And finding a better person is going to be hard to do.
I don't know how many different boards he's on, but countless boards, all with the primary goal of improving mental health in this community and in the Fort Bend community, which is hard to do. I mean, those are a big service area.
Well, that's what Dr. Shah has done. He's devoted his life, his professional life, to doing the hard things because of the right things.
So I met Dr. Shah when I was working at Harris Health System, and I've always been passionate about mental health, and I had some ideas I wanted to propose. And I happened to see Dr. Shah in the hallway, and I stopped him and I shared one of my ideas, and he listened. Just him seeing me and validating me, he didn't know who I was out of anyone, and he took time to stop and listen to me and have that conversation.
He is always prompt in responding within minutes, if not seconds, day or night, and willing to go beyond the call of duty in serving patients and helping his colleagues.
He's a triple threat. He is clinically incredibly skilled. He also has done a tremendous amount of research that's contributed to our field of medicine, psychiatry, and neurology. And as well, he's just an amazing teacher and mentor.
So I host a behavioral health summit in Nantucket with the state of Massachusetts and the state of Texas. We call it the Nan-Texas. So I invited Dr. Shah to be a guest, to be a part of this summit, and to discuss children's behavioral health issues around the country. When he asked me what he needed to pack, I said, just casual clothes. No, he says. I said, no, I'm serious. Flip-flops, jeans, shorts. He's never been around me at all without a tie and a jacket on. So when he arrived at my home for dinner with flip-flops, bare feet, and blue jeans, I just couldn't stand it. I laughed so hard.
Even though he's really busy, he's also at the same time very, very present. Throughout my entire life, pretty much every single memory I've ever had, is he's always so present and there for not just me, but like my mom and the entire family. He brings us so much pride, and just, he makes us so happy just seeing everything he's done for not only the community, but just for everyone.
He's always enthusiastic. He's always ready to pitch in. He acts like I've just done him the greatest favor in the world. Dr. Shah, can you help me to staff the George R. Brown Convention Center? I would love to. And it's, again, his enthusiasm is infectious. I think he makes everybody better around him. And when there's a big problem to solve, he's somebody that I want on my team. And I guess my only question is, I mean, obviously a great recipient of this award. I just asked the award committee, what took you so long? And who else did you give this to over the past several years? So I think he is a very worthy recipient of the IMAHOG Award.
My congratulations for him for receiving this wonderful accolade, this award. It's extremely well deserved.
So describe Dr. Shah in 3 words. That's challenging. That's difficult to do.
Mission-oriented.
Innovative.
Authentic.
Exceptional.
Talented.
Dedication.
Admirable.
Ready.
Extremely passionate.
courageous.
Inimitable. There is no one like him.
A real mensch.
Humble.
Unselfish, honest, and true blue.